Good afternoon, Deborah here. Happy Sunday. Now, if you look at the title, you'll see it says Pivot to Pontivy. What is that all about? Here's what that's about. Pontivy is a place that's very livable for people who are looking to move over here. And a lot of times, if you're older, you want to be able to get on the train and go to other places, or go to the bigger cities like Rennes or Brest, or you want to go someplace like Paris. And then from Paris, you can go on to the rest of Europe. What we're going to try and do is show you, Pontivy is not one of those. They hopefully will bring their train station back, but it isn't there yet. Pontivy is a town that has so much life in it. We chose to live between Pontivy and Ploermel. Specifically for one thing, we're getting older and we've both had some health issues, and both of those places have good hospitals. So, Pontivy, Mark did a walk around. There is no narration, none. There are some subtitles that will give you a little additional information, but there's no narration. It is a beautiful 30-minute walk around a town that's partly 17th century, 18th century, 19th century. There's some modern buildings inserted in between, and then there's the beautiful old medieval chateau up on the hill with beautiful turrets. 2 turrets left. There were at one point 5. I've put links in the bottom of the show description that take you to the information about Pontivy itself, and that's from the local government. Then there's another one that's the Wikipedia one that gives you a bit more of the history. And then there's a link to the chateau itself. Here's why we're doing this. First of all, please enjoy the video. Go over there, click on the link, or cut and paste the link into your browser and go over and look at it. And again, just like this, please like and share. The reason we're doing that is, and we're not cross-pollinating, people who watch walking videos do not always want to watch retired people and a retired person's lifestyle. So we decided we will give you links to that place, but we will not give links from that site over here. Let the young folks who are in their 30s, 40s, and 50s, they can take their walking tour and they won't go, oh my God, it's old people who've made this. So let's just keep them in the dark, okay? We'll keep them in the dark, all right? So the reason we do not have the fitness, food, and health for people over 60 this week is it's going to require a lot of segments, and I've only filmed part of them. I was overly optimistic, I'll be very truthful, overly optimistic, and I didn't get it all done. So what we'll do is we'll move that back. It could be, 7 to 10 days from now. We don't know when. I'm not going to give you a firm date. That way I won't let anybody down. But yes, that's coming up. So we're going to talk about all sorts of things. Health related, what exercises Mark and I do, and how we're currently, and I'm not going to call it a health kick. It's not. It's just a revision. We're re-embracing things that we already knew to do and we haven't done for a while. And now we feel like if we want to age well, we better get back in the groove of that stuff. So we'll share all of that with you. All right. One more thing, and this is very important. I encouraged all of you last time to like. I wasn't saying like, share, thumbs up, all of that. Just like. Because the algorithm picks up the likes and it shoves it out, shares it with people. We have 21 new viewers this week because you saw the recommendations from YouTube. I am thrilled to bits about that. It's really wonderful. Thank you. And we've had so many comments. So at the end of this little segment, you will see the link that goes to the walking video. I'll have it in a couple of different places. It'll be in the show notes, and it will also be, I will put it as one of the permanent links to this website. You will see the balloons come out, and it will say, like. And it's a reminder. it's a reminder. Please do. It really helps us a lot. It does. It helps us a lot. I can't think of anything else. Can you think of anything, Mark? Do you want to add anything?
No, I've got nothing.
Mark's sitting on the sofa recovering because he went out for a normal Sunday ride and it just bucketed down rain, so he came home looking like a drowned rat.
It was above normal.
Above normal, yes.
Yeah.
We've had crazy weather here. We have had lightning, thunder, days of rain. We're grateful for it because we're not in as bad a drought as everywhere else. I love that about Brittany. It's green. No, it is. It's green, and it stays green here more often than I would not choose to go live in the south of France again like we once did. So, all right, we're going to end it now. Thank you for being here. We do appreciate it so much. Hope you're having a good weekend, and we'll see you again soon with lots more interesting content. So, bye for now.